Hello everyone, in this video we will be talking about your recent SET exam notification for Andhra Pradesh State Eligibility Test 2024. So we will call it as AP SET 2024 and we will be discussing about psychology thing. So the notification states that Andhra University Visakhapatnam Andhra Pradesh State Eligibility Test for the year 2024 will be conducted on 28th of April 2024. So you have approximately 1 to 2 months for your preparation in accordance with GOMS Higher Education Department and re-accreditation of UGC. And all right, the registration fee of rupees 1200 for general and EWS categories, 1000 for BC categories, 700 for SC ST PWD, and likewise. So the application has already been started from 14th of Feb, and the last date for submission is 6/3/2024. So the important things which you need to keep in mind is that you have the examination on 28th of April and the last date for registration is 3rd of March, approximately 10-12 days from now. Sorry, it's 6th of March. As of now, it's 6th of March. So you are having approximately 10 days plus 31 days of March and 26 days of April. 57, 67, approximately 67 to 70 days you will be having for preparing your psychology for your SET exam. So we will discuss about the syllabus. So syllabus is similar, same to same as your UGC net. So you must be preparing for UGC net or not, but you should go thoroughly with this syllabus of UGC net for your AP SET 2024. So if you have not yet downloaded the syllabus, go to this website or go to Andhra website and download it from there. It consists of from unit 1 to unit 10. The level of questions will be not that much difficult which we are having for UGC net, but yeah, some questions will be there. So you must study accordingly whatever books you are having, and if you don't know about the books yet, go down in the description. There is a link of a video, or you can find that also on our channel where we have mentioned two must have books for UGC net. You can buy those books from these links and you can start your preparation for AP set, right? So it will cover mostly around unit 2 to unit 10. All the things will be covered from those books. For unit 1 you might have to refer some other things, but it is not that much important as far as AP set is concerned. All right, so if you don't have the books yet, go and download or purchase that books from those links, watch that video, so you will have a better understanding about those books and how you should study for upcoming 70 days. So if you study for these 70 days properly, then you can achieve your set certificate in 2024. If you have any doubts, anything, then you can comment down below. We will be happy to help you. And thanks for watching the video. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, take care. See you all soon.